Hello and welcome to TLH Patterns. In this video, we'll see how to crochet these pretty circle ornaments with flowers in the center, which you can use to decorate your Christmas tree. This ornament has a diameter of 9 centimeters when made using sport weight yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. The return pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You will need yarn in two colors. I used sport weight cotton, which is category 2 yarn. Along with it, I used a 3mm crochet hook. And apart from that, you will need beads for decoration, yarn needle and scissors. First, we'll make the flower. Make a magic ring and insert hook into the ring, pull yarn, chain 1 and work 12 single crochets into the ring. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. We'll start the second round, make a chain and work 2 double crochet cluster stitch in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert hook in the stitch, pull yarn, again yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch and pull yarn. Now you have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 4 loops. Now you have 2, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is a 2DC cluster stitch. Then work 4 chains. Make a 2DC cluster in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert hook in the next stitch, pull yarn. Again yarn over, insert hook in the same stitch, pull yarn. Yarn over and pull through all the loops except the last one. And then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Chain 4. Then work a 2DC cluster in the next stitch. Then chain 4. Repeat this around. Finally, instead of the last chain 4, work 1 chain and then a double crochet in the top of the first cluster stitch. So in this way your hook will be at the center of this chain space. Start the next round with chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same space and then work chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Repeat this around. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet and you can fasten off. Now pick up your next color and make a magic ring. Insert hook into the circle, pull yarn and work 3 chains. This 3 chain will count as your first double crochet stitch. Then work 11 double crochet into the ring. Now we have 12 stitches in total. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the 3 chains at the beginning. Then 3 chains. This counts as the first stitch. Work a double crochet in the same stitch. Then work 2 double crochets in every stitch around. You will have 24 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 3. This counts as a first stitch. Then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 2 in the next. Repeat this around, increasing 1 stitch in every alternate stitch, and you should have 36 stitches in this round. Join with a slip stitch. Now we'll join both the circles together. Don't fasten off. Now place the flower circle, the wrong side of the flower circle, on top of the wrong side of the plain circle. The right side of the flower circle is facing you. Now pick up your hook. Insert hook into any chain 4 space of the flower circle, and then into the loop of the back circle, and pull this loop through the chain 4 space. Chain 1 and work a single crochet through this chain 4 space into the first stitch of the back circle. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets into the next stitch through this chain 4 space of the flower circle. So here is the second stitch. I am working a single crochet in the second stitch through this chain 4 space. Again 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. So you are working 2 single crochets through the same stitch, and then another single crochet through the same chain 4 space into the next stitch. So you have worked 4 single crochets into 3 stitches of the back circle. Now repeat this through every chain 4 space. Now insert hook into the next chain 4 space and work a single crochet in the next stitch of the back circle. Then work 2 single crochets through the chain 4 space into the next stitch. So here in the second stitch you will be working 2 single crochets and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. So you should have 48 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then chain 1 and work single crochet in the first stitch, and then work a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch in the first chain. This is called a picot. Then single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, picot and single crochet followed by 3 chains, and then a slip stitch in the first chain forming a picot, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Single crochet, picot, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. You will finish the round with single crochet in the last 2 stitches. That's it. You can now fasten off. I made a small tassel by wrapping yarn around a piece of cardboard and then cutting it, fold into half, and then insert yarn at the center and make a knot. That's your tassel. Then trim the edges. Insert a bead through the thread at the top of the tassel, and now the tassel is ready to be attached to your ornament. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.